Also with a big bill, you have to pay them an enormous amount of money, and then they give you a text that you don't.
So it's a first. We're in uncharted waters. Is it legal? Is it not legal? That's the very first question. What is the legal basis to do this? It is unclear. It's a matter that needs to be solved. Before we can go forwards on this, I think everybody would sleep better if we would know that the legality of it is underpinned. We will, in any case, be buried in litigation. That seems like a certainty. I don't think that Russia will take this in a nice way. I heard a Belgian journalist on television say, "Oh, I have the impression that for Putin this money is already written off." I do not have that impression. This is not exactly what we hear from Moscow. Moscow has told us that if we touch the money, we would feel the consequences until eternity, which seems to be a long time, eternity. So they will do countermeasures. That seems to be very logical.
Not central bank money is immune, we're not going to touch it.
So it's risky business. I think an analysis on what the consequences could be would be helpful before you take a decision, that everybody who is on board, if all the member states are on board with this decision, that they need to know what they are risking.
Can go forwards on this, I think everybody would sleep better.
Actually, Euroclear is the only financial institution in the world that is implicated in the solidarity for Ukraine. There is at least as much money in the rest of the world. Trump says 300 billion. This means that half of it is in Euroclear and the other half is the world round. But nobody ever talks about this. Nobody ever volunteered to say, I also, Japan, 50 billion. I also have windfall profits. I also have tax money. I could offer that money to Ukraine. We're the only ones doing it. So you can imagine for me that it is a bit sour that we are finger pointed now as the unwilling country.
Western-owned companies, European companies, Russian courts making decisions.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.